Since we've been here in Kunming, the things that we've seen have been amazing. The development is really amazing, and what I really appreciate is the effort that's been put into the aesthetics of the city. The city is so beautiful, and there's been great effort to have beautiful green spaces, flowers, and it's just so impressive. This is also an area that the United States can learn a great deal from China, in that your urban development, you have really created beautiful projects, apartment complexes that have all the amenities. We can learn a lot about urban planning from China. I think the big expectation for this conference is just our renewed commitment that we're going to continue people to people, subnational cooperation, and continue to build our friendships through sister cities, through our youth.